Hi guys! Good morning! Nandito kami ngayon sa Old Airport of Legazpi sa buffet with my family, of course. And we arrived at 12:20.
Oo, lahat yan.
Lahat. Eat all you can, pero medyo na late kami, kaya nagluluto pala ng ibang bayan. So, we are waiting for the other bayan. So, where is my family? Let's start with Fons. Yan, ang aking poging apo. And my only daughter, Acela. And also Muyi. And my apo, Prince. Yeah. And here is my lunch. More on vegetables. Guys. So, yun ang aking pretty daughter-in-law. And the only beautiful daughter, Pia. And my apo with my eldest son, Philip. Yan ang aking apo, si Pio. Walang bayad si Pio, free. 2 years old, free. Yan. Si Pia, how much naman? How much live kay Pia? 250. Yung adult? You want that? 400 na? Ay, nagmang... Nagmahal na. Dati 350. Okay. So, that is my pretty handsome apo, Prince. Eating ice drop with gulaman. Delicious, baby ko. Huh? Delicious? You want more rice? Gusto mo pa ng rice? Ayaw na? Oh, you eat the chicken. Yan, enjoy kami kahit waiting. Ang tao, guys. Oh, parang fiesta. Fiesta sa Legazpi. Maraming tao. Luto na ba? Tingnan natin kung luto na. Ayan, luto na pala. Okay, available na yung isang bayan. Yan ang favorite namin na viand na yan. Dito yung mga fruits and vegetables. So, healthy foods ang mga nandito, guys. The white rice, another Valenzuela, sotanghon, gulay na kalabasa. Yan. Yung may, ano ba yan? Igado. Yung baka. Dito minsan fish fillet. Wala na, guys. And then fried chicken. We are waiting. Dito, guys, ang water. Wala na rin yung juice. Okay, guys. Abangan ang aming lunch time. Bye, guys. Let's eat.